What's the meaning of airshow? Airshow. 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 Airshow.
An air show is a type of event where aircraft are displayed and demonstrated to the public. The goal of an air show is to entertain and educate the audience about aviation, as well as to showcase the skills of pilots and the capabilities of various aircraft. The events often include aerobatics, static displays, and flybys. Air shows can be held at airfields or over bodies of water, and may attract both civilian and military aircraft. Overall, an air show provides an opportunity for people to experience the excitement and wonder of aviation up close.